boy Alex, Audio Tech, coming at you guys with another one. Just got this one delivered today by Amazon. We got the TAZATA, because Google Translator couldn't even, I'm trying to, pronounce it. TAZATA speaker, Boom Blast Mini, because they got the bigger version. Portable Bluetooth speaker. And already got the strap handles, because I don't like these long straps. It's IP67. We got USB. We got bass boost, I'm sorry. LED lights, 60 watts of power, total output of 80. And I guess you could sync it with other TAZATA speakers. Okay. I forgot what I was gonna say. I bought this on sale for $22. It was a one-time thing. Amazon's sporadically doing like one-time, like a couple of hour deals. And right now it's $81 with 10% off. I'll still drop the affiliate link in the comment section down below just in case you guys are interested. Let me see what it says right here in the corner. We got the LED lights, 60 watts, IP67, built-in power bank, so it does reverse charging, 10 hours of playback time, and so forth. Then we got what it says, charging time, 3.5 hours, 10 hours, Bluetooth 5.3, and weight of the speaker is 1,500 grams, 5 volt at whatever amps, 2 amps. Let me see, what else do I see here? I thought it would say like the size of the speakers, but it doesn't. Yep. But anyway, let's get this thing open and unboxed, baby. Got little stickers here. I'm just gonna pull out my knife and make it easier for myself. Not aggravate myself. See the Amazon box in the background. So yeah, guys, somebody in my comment section told me to try this speaker. And I said, okay, well, when it goes on sale, I'll try it. So I want to see if this little speaker, I didn't cut this right. I want to see if this little speaker is better than the, what is it called? The Transmart. The Transmart S100. Just like they're about the same size. Okay, here we go. I'm pretty sure what's in here. The straps, the charger, and all that. It's packaged up in a separate box. I think that's neat, And here goes the little speaker itself. Sorry, guys. There we go. Move that aside. Move this aside. So yeah, we got the straps in here. We got the USB Type-C to USB Type-C for reverse charging, because it did say it's a power bank. You could charge your iPhone, your tablet, your Android. And then, of course, we got everybody's favorite cord, the aux. Oh, no. This is to charge the speaker. Oh, shoot. The speaker actually brought its own charger, USB to Type-C to USB Type-C. And then we got the one for reverse charging, which is USB Type-A to USB Type-C. Okay, that's what's up. No, I didn't bring an aux cable, guys. Did not bring an aux cable. So does that mean that it doesn't have aux cable support? I mean, we'll find out together. We will find out together. Okay, here goes the little speaker in its full glory. It's backwards. This is the front of it. It does have a nice heft to it. Okay, so here we go. We got the pause button, play button, down, up, 3D lights, I guess. And then the power, and this could also be the bass button. Then we got the passive radiators. Okay. Then back here, we do have an aux cable slot and the USB Type-A to reverse charge and USB Type-C to charge it. Okay, and this speaker is IPX7 waterproof. Let's see if it has any juice. Yes, it does. It does have juice. So we don't have to, let me bring the camera down a little bit more so you guys can see it better. Here we go. Those lights going off right there. So let's sync it to my phone. And look, I bought this. We'll do a little unboxing of the straps that I bought on Amazon too for $10 for speakers like this one, you see? So all you do is come here, flip this around, just so I can show you guys real quick. Boom, there you go. And I like this. It shows you the battery life on the speaker right here in the 3 little dots. It shows you, and right here on this dot that's blinking, it shows you when it's looking for Bluetooth. So I think that's awesome. And then you come over here and clamp, and there you go. I got a handle, not that super long thing. So yeah, I bought these handles for a reason. So yeah, now let's get it paired up with my favorite iPhone apparel with my iPhone 15 Pro. Okay, let's go to Bluetooth and look for this one. Okay, so it's gonna come out, no, right here. Sorry guys, allergies. TAZATA Boom Blast Mini is what it's gonna come out as under. There we go. Now we're gonna look for that non-copyrighted music I like playing, guys. You know it. Non-copyrighted music, baby. So let me switch channels so we don't hear no commercials. Commercial-free music. All right. Right here. Non-copyrighted music. Let's go to my favorite channel. He posted a new song a day ago, so let's play his. I love this channel. This is where I get all my music from, guys. No Copyright Sound is the name of the channel. So none of this music is copyrighted. You see, copyright free, copyright free, copyright free.
Я ощущаю слова мои память читаю, но я в моей ночи тебя вспоминаю. Ты ушла, но буду скучать. Я тебе не сказать, твой сейчас
can feel the vibration on the floor. And I could definitely say this is going to sound way louder in copyrighted music than in non-copyrighted music that we're playing right now. Because this is non-copyrighted music we're playing right now. So I'm pretty sure in copyrighted music, which I'll do a shorts maybe tomorrow or Friday showing you how loud it gets. So yeah, let's play the next song.
I've got a problem, it's taking over me. I want your body, sweeter than ecstasy. I'll make you want me, I'll take you to your knees. So touch my body, ecstasy. I want your body, ecstasy. I want your body, I want your body, ecstasy. I want your body. Got a problem, it's taking over me. I want your body, sweeter than ecstasy. I'll make you want me, I'll take you to your knees. So touch my body, sweeter than ecstasy. I've got a problem, it's taking over me. I want your body, sweeter than ecstasy. I'll make you want me, I'll take you to your knees. So touch my body, sweeter than ecstasy, 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 ecstasy.
Amazing, guys. Amazing, 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 amazing. I'm telling you, I could feel the vibrations on the floor. I'm gonna have to pin this one against the Transmart S1000. I mean S100. I'm not too happy with Transmart, man. They keep telling me their YouTube page to order on their website. Their website doesn't let you order jack shit. To be completely honest, excuse my language, but I'm upset. And they're saying that I gotta wait till September to get it at Best Buy because I don't know why they haven't put it on Amazon or TikTok or Shein, and I'm just not gonna end up buying it, guys. I know I put it in the post, but I don't think I'm gonna end up buying it. I'm not gonna get that speaker to review it and have it, because I feel like if you're gonna say you're gonna launch something, make it to where it's available everywhere. And then in AliExpress, I live in New Jersey, and it says it can't be shipped to New Jersey. So yeah, whatever. So I'm just done with it. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get the Transmart Bang 2. I mean, I don't see a real big difference, to be completely besides between the S, the Bang 1, which is the one that I got. It only has 30 watts more, so yeah, I don't think it's gonna be a big difference. But I'm definitely gonna put this one against the Transmart S100. This little speaker right here, this TAZATA, however you pronounce that. But yeah, let's go to the next song, guys.
Talk to me. Why have you been avoiding me so much lately? Did I do something wrong, or was it maybe something I said? I'm going crazy thinking about it.
Didn't do anything.
Say you're sorry, darling. Say it's all your fault. Say you miss me and you wish that you answered my calls. Say you're not done falling. Say our love is hard. Say you're waiting for me, that you wanna press restart.
Nothing is wrong.
Something is obviously bothering you. Suddenly you're Mr. Distant.
Say you're sorry, darling. Say it's all your fault. Say you miss me and you wish that you answered my calls. Say you're not done falling. Say our love is hard. Say you're waiting for me, that you wanna press restart.
Oh, and good luck with your buddy in the Mercedes.
So this little speaker sounds great, guys. I'm really digging it. Liking the way it sounds a lot. Peak power is 80 watts according to Amazon. And I think it sounds really cool, to be honest. I really do. Let's go to the next song.
I've learned from my mistakes, and I'm trying to make it better. But I'm only human. Some days it's hard to move on, so I keep fighting every day. I don't blame myself for my mistakes. I'm only human.
Loving the little speaker, man. I'm telling you. I'm about to order the Big Brother to it right now. Um, but yeah, man. Great sounding. To me, it sounds good, really good, and the bass is just amazing for such a small speaker. Certain, you know, it hits hard. Like in songs that are heavy bass, it hits hard, and I can feel it on the floor. Like I can literally feel it on the floor, guys. It's crazy. Really, really crazy. So I think it's a great sounding speaker. Yeah, so just overall, like I said, great sounding speaker, guys. Definitely a great sounding speaker. Let me see how one of my favorite songs sounds on her. Hold on. Not that one.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
So like I said, guys, a great sounding little speaker. Love it. Love the way it sounds. Um, I recommend it, man. For real. I mean, I got it for a heck of a price. I wish right now it still would have been on sale, but it was like like something that I don't know. Amazon's just been doing, like sporadic things, and like how would I put it? Like they will give you major discounts on things. Like they'll give you 20% off plus, extra $30 off this speaker. So like right now, I'm about to purchase this karaoke speaker that I'm gonna unbox on here, and I'm getting a heck of a price out of it. Seriously, getting a heck of a price out of it. So but yeah, I highly recommend the speaker. I will be dropping off the affiliate link pinned down in the comment section down below. And right now, like I said, on this brand, Amazon has a whole bunch of deals right now. So as soon as I'm done editing the video, I will be posting it. So guys, thank you so much for your support. Keep watching, keep liking, keep subscribing, and I will keep pushing out this content. Take care, God bless, and be safe. You already, and thank you for watching.